You may be editing your TikTok in a way that is just not working. And I'm gonna show you what you should do every single time to be able to get more views. If your content is good, of course. If it's not good, I'm not gonna help, like, I can't help you. Only maybe Jesus can, but I can't. Find the beginning of the video. You do not want to have half a second, quarter of a second, no time until you start speaking. This is super important. Cut everything out. Make sure you start talking right away. I will be so happy when Gavin McKenna will be drafted #1. Find another edit point and also make sure that at the end of that clip, when you stop talking, there's no time left. So you cut it just a little bit. Even if you cut like the last letter of that word, it's actually like a TikTok trend. So people still get and understand what you said. So you can feel free to do it. Your video has to flow. So make sure between each clip there is no time at all. You just continue talking the whole entire time. It's incredibly important. If you want to improve your videos because you feel like they're not doing good, they could do better, but you don't know where's the problem, send them to me and I give you the expertise. I tell you exactly what's working, what's not working, why, what to do about it, strategy, content ideas for the future, equipment advice. This can be social media overall, this can be specific video, podcast, whatever audio video. If you want to know more about this, get it done in 24 hours, all right? I'm here for you. Check out the link in the description of this video.